Ayan, alam kong maliligayahan kayo kay Donna Cruz kasi ang aking mga collabs ngayon ay araw niya. 3 songs.
Okay, try ko lang daddy.
God please. Rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight, falling like when you're out of sight. Rain follows me even in my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed.
There are no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, mine. There are no summer, spring or fall. It's this life winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it's won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine.
So it rains when you're near, knowing we can't even touch. Rain knows that I love you so much, but I know that my love will only cause you pain. So I'd rather live with the rain.
There are no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There are no summer, spring or fall. It's this like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it's won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart, and it can never be mine.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. Each day is like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. Puro Donna Cruz ngayon ang lahat kong collabs. Hope na maligayahan ang mga maka Donna Cruz dyan. Thank you for joining. At sa mga hindi naman hope na maligaya rin kayo.